If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Discord, follow these steps to regain access to your account. This process will guide you through the necessary actions to reset your 2FA settings. Step 1. Access Discord login page. Go to the Discord login page and enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter your authentication code. Step 2. Use backup codes. If you have backup codes saved, use one of them to log in. Backup codes are provided when you first enable two-factor authentication and can be used to access your account if you lose access to your authentication app. Step 3. Navigate to user settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon located at the bottom left of the Discord interface to open user settings. This is where you can manage your account settings, including security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the user settings menu, find the My Account section. Look for the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may need to enter your password and the current authentication code to complete this step. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling 2FA, you can re-enable it by following the prompts in the same settings area. This will allow you to set up a new authentication method, such as a different app or device. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Discord. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.